Okay, if you're here, that means you're probably ready to set up your Blue Ridge internet service. So here's a fast and easy set of instructions you can use to set up your cable modem. By now, you've already received your Blue Ridge cable modem kit. Your package includes everything you need to set up your modem. Once you've opened your package and confirmed everything is in there, you're ready to get started. Your first step is locating an active cable outlet near the spot where you want your modem to live. Common spots include rooms like your main living space or home office, but anywhere an outlet exists will work. Connect the coaxial cable by inserting the wire and twisting the fastener onto the threaded end of the outlet. Now, connect it to the modem and fasten. Be sure to firmly tighten it as much as possible using the small plastic wrench. If your cable outlet is already in use by TV service, you can use a splitter to attach your modem. Attach your main coaxial cable to the splitter, then use the supplied jumper cables to connect your TV and modem. Plug your cable modem power cord into a wall outlet. Check the lights on the front of your modem to ensure you have connection activity. If you don't see a solid green light within 5 minutes, try connecting it onto a different cable outlet. Connect the supplied Ethernet cable to either your computer, your router, or your supplied Eero Pro device. Test your internet connection on your computer, phone, or tablet using your preferred internet browser. Your self-install is complete. You're now free to surf, stream, game, and enjoy everything else your Blue Ridge service has to offer. If you're having issues getting online and think you've done everything correctly, please get in touch and let us know. As always, thank you for choosing Blue Ridge.